So here are some more of my yachts. I own all these yachts. Made my money by selling drugs, by the way. That's just a joke, teachers. I don't sell drugs. I don't use drugs. I hardly even ever drink a beer, but I must admit, this is confession time, kids. I had a beer when I came to Montenegro, and I also ate some meat. Sorry, Cece. You're still watching these videos, which I doubt you are. But, anyhow, yeah, so last night I had a glass of red wine, so that's my alcoholic intake for the past month, or 3 months. Now, I think I had a few glasses of wine in Romania. Yeah, I definitely did. Yeah, so I'm becoming an alcoholic. No, actually, I just decided to enjoy life a little bit more. Check out these boats. I want to jump on all these boats. Hello. A couple of students looking like they're really looking forward to going to school. So back to my boats. For sale. Maybe I could buy this one. Wow. Another student going to school. Good morning. There's some more. I could have some fun with the kids going to school. Or maybe I won't. I'm tired and I want to go see what... Oh man, I met this girl, this anarchist girl from Russia named Natalia. She's very interesting. She's sleeping in our room. Yes, our room, I said. We just met and we decided to share a room. Actually, it's kind of her decision. But I'm not complaining. We're not sharing a bed, though. Just in case anybody's having X-rated thoughts. Yeah, so I'll tell you a little more about that. Wait, I better check the time here. Oh, it's alright. I'm going to make this into a separate video. So anyhow, so she met somebody on Hospitality Club, and we went over there to her place. Her name's Mariana. We went to Mariana's place. Mariana is an artist, and then she was there with an artist friend from Serbia, and then the roommate of Mariana came, named, I forget. Hello. Do you speak English?
Yes.
You want to say hello? It's a video. Taking a video of Montenegro. What's your name?
Bayram.
Hello, Steve.
Yes. Where from?
America.
American.
Yeah, this is for my friends in America. Well, anybody who wants to see.
For your friend.
Yes.
Bye for your friend.
Did you say hello to Melissa? Her parents won't let her travel.
I go in Dobrotan.
Oh, yeah. By bus?
Yes, by bus.
Oh, yeah.
For rent a car.
Oh, yeah. Okay. See you. Bye-bye. I don't think he understood my say hi to Melissa thing. Sorry, Melissa. Okay, so, anyhow, so we've had, at least I've tried to get people to say hi to Melissa from a few different countries. And I haven't heard from Melissa in a couple days. Well, I won't say what happened. That's a little secret between her and I and her hairdresser. That's an old... Oh man, here's the fish market. What the hell is this? More fish? What is this? No, I don't think that's fish. What the hell is it? Hello, do you speak English?
No.
What is this? Fish? That's fish. I guess it is the fish market, definitely. Wow, this is weird looking shit. Ooh, octopus. When was the last time you had octopus? Okay, so anyhow, oh, this is interesting. Well, I hope it's interesting. It's interesting for me anyhow. So, where was I? The story of, what are these things? Chestnuts? I think so. You know the song? Chestnuts roasting on the open fire? I used to like to eat, well, I would still like to eat chestnuts roasting in Paris. They actually do that. They sell roasted chestnuts on the streets there. There's some pictures our vegetarian friends don't want to see. Flies. In Europe, they just put the meat out and leave it out all day. They're killing flowers like they do in Bulgaria, Romania, etc. Lots of places around the world. To show someone how much you love them, kill some flowers. Hello. You speak English? I'm making a video for my friends. You want to say hello? What's your name?
Michi.
Hello, Steve. It's your family?
Yes.
Yeah? Who's who? Who's mother?
Mother.
Uh-huh. Mother and
Sister.
sister. And sister. Yes?
Yes.
Oh, you're not old enough. No, it's not possible.
Nismo svi od jednog oca.
Nismo svi kad
Father no isti.
Father knows what?
Father kada da tamo to. Because
It's not mother.
Mother.
Mother. Oh yeah, but not.
Nismo usvojene.
Sister? Oh, okay. And you work here or here? Here? And here. Okay, now I'm gonna go walking. So,
ciao.
see you later. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
You say, how do you say bye bye in Serbian?
Ciao.
Ciao.
Doviđenja.
Ciao.
Doviđenja.
Ciao.
Doviđenja.
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 Okay.
Zdravo.
Bye. Doviđenja.
Doviđenja.